No, he's going to turn around. You got it?
Just so long.
Thank you.
What's your name? I brought you forever.
Thank you very much.
You all set,
So
Kim?
much.
Thank you. It's great to see you. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Here, give me that. Thank you.
You all set?
Marines, right behind you.
Oh, I brought you along.
Thank you.
Great to see you, my friend.
protecting
Thank
Senator
you.
McCain.
Great America.
Talked about heroes today. You are my hero.
Oh, thank you.
Got it?
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey, how are you?
Father-in-law was Iggy Ignashevsky.
Oh, yeah. Yes, indeed. You're a great man.
Yes.
Great man.
And my wife babysat for Carol when you were
Is that right? Well, tell him that.
right behind you, John. She's a
Thank you.
Democrat.
I know you're proud.
She's going to vote for Romney. So.
Thank you. It's great.
Right behind you. There you go.
Hi, I'm the patriotic instructor from Merrimack, and this is what we do with our flags. And then we raise that in the back, and I'd like you to have that.
Thank you
Deb
very
Wesley,
much.
patriotic instructor.
Thank you very much. Hey, good to see you, sir. Thank you. You know, my dad was a submariner. Oh, senior chief. Thank you, sir. Everything I ever learned about leadership, I learned from a chief petty officer. Thank you. Thank you.
Everybody tells me that my husband looks just like you. He's always getting people say, "Are you John McCain? Can I get a picture with you?
Sure,
and would
yeah,
you mind
give her-
signing my early birthday card?"
Steve?
My husband gave me this as an early birthday card this year.
That's good.
Would somebody mind taking a
Sure, got it. Yeah. Stand right next to him. We got it.
There you go.
Right, there you go. Stand right next to him. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you. It's great to see you. Thank you.
Senator, you and I met in 2000 when you came up here to announce the run for the presidency. You and I were stranded on a plane coming from Reagan, and we got to Manchester at 1:30 in the morning.
I remember that.
And you talked to me about Geronimo and Cochise in the
That's right.
Chiricahua Mountains.
That's right. You've got a
Well,
great
memory.
memory. Thank
That's
you.
impressive.
Thank you
That's
for
very
serving,
impressive.
sir.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll head right that way.
Thank you. Good to see you. How are you? Thank you.
Your father.